Ever feel like your phone's app drawer is cluttered with things you want to keep private or simply out of sight? Today, we're diving into how to effectively hide apps on your Android device, keeping your digital life more organized and private. First, let's explore the built-in options. Many Android phones offer a way to hide apps directly within the system settings. Navigate to your phone's settings, then look for a section like Apps, Application Manager, or similar. Tap on the app you wish to hide. Depending on your phone's manufacturer, you might see an option to disable it, or more commonly, a setting specifically to hide it from the app drawer or home screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. This method is great for apps you rarely use but don't want to uninstall. For more advanced control, third-party launchers are your best friend. Let's take Nova Launcher as an example. Once you have a launcher installed and set as your default, open its settings. Look for options related to the app drawer or hidden apps. You'll typically find a section where you can select which apps you want to conceal. Tap on those apps, and they'll be removed from your visible app drawer. Another effective method is using dedicated app-hiding applications from the Google Play Store. Search for terms like App Hider or App Blocker and choose a reputable app. These apps often allow you to hide apps, create pin or pattern locks for them, and can even disguise themselves as other applications for an extra layer of security. Follow the app's instructions for adding and hiding your chosen applications. By employing these methods, you can declutter your Android interface and significantly enhance your privacy by keeping certain applications discreetly hidden. Experiment with these options to find what works best for your needs.